now what do we do?
We go home.
So yeah, we're back now, and we're just gonna stay here, do videos again, as if nothing ever happened. Anyway, what have you guys been up to?
Nothing much, really. Although I did get a girlfriend, but that's pretty much it. Play the intro already!
Hey, it's me, Chris Stumper, everyone's favorite talking frog in animalogic history, no exceptions. Welcome to a very different type of animalogic episode, because we are about to show you 3 different animalogic segments that were all written entirely in Chat.gpt. We put a bunch of different prompts into Chat.gpt, and we had Chat.gpt write animalogic episodes about it. I told you we shouldn't have done this live. So, for your viewing pleasure, here is the first one, where the prompt was Beetlejuice visits Film Buff on his channel. Enjoy!
Hey everyone! Today is a very special day, because I have a very special guest here today. You may know him as the Ghost with the Most, or the Bio-Exorcist. Please welcome Beetlejuice!
It's me, Beetlejuice. Who here wants to have a little fun?
Hi Beetlejuice, it's great to have you here.
It's great to be here, kid. So, what are we gonna do today? Make some prank phone calls, prank some mortals, you know, some usual stuff.
Actually, I was hoping to interview you. You have a pretty interesting life story.
Alright, but no boring questions. I hate boring.
Don't worry, I've got some good ones prepared. Let's start with how you became a Bio-Exorcist. What have you always wanted to do?
Are you kidding me? I didn't even know what a Bio-Exorcist was until after I died. It wasn't until I met Lydia Dietz when I realized I have a talent for scaring the living.
It's not true at all. He was a scare well before he met Lydia. I know that because I've actually seen the movie, unlike Chat.gpt. And what about the afterlife in general? What is it like being a ghost?
Well, it's not all fun and games, that's for sure. There's a lot of bureaucracy and paperwork involved, and the living never seem to appreciate our shenanigans.
I can imagine, but you seem to enjoy it nonetheless.
Hey, I gotta do something with eternity, right?
Alright, last question. What advice would you want to give to anyone wanting to become a Bio-Exorcist?
Well, first of all, you gotta have style. Second of all, you can't be afraid to get your hands dirty, or slimy, or muddy. You get the idea.
I definitely do. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Beetlejuice. It's been a blast.
Anytime, kid. Anytime.
Poof.
Well, that certainly was an interesting interview. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.
Well, that was stupid. Our next story will feature SpongeBob in it. And the prompt was, SpongeBob becomes a watermelon. I don't know why they chose that either. Roll it!
Huh? Watermelons? I love watermelons! Ooh, that was delicious. What's happening to me? I've turned into a watermelon!
Hey, SpongeBob, you in there?
Hey Patrick, it's me, SpongeBob the Watermelon.
Roll credits.
Ooh, that's so cool! I've never seen a watermelon walk before!
Oh, it's been an incredible day, but I'm ready to be back to my normal self again. Ugh. Oh! Oh! Oh no! I hope I don't die! Oh! Ugh. Ugh. Oh, thank goodness! I thought I'd be a watermelon forever!
Boop, 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 boop.
Our final segment of the night will be a music video. How can you make Chat.gpt make a music video? Well, it's actually pretty easy. We told them to write just a parody of Jump by Van Halen. We didn't tell them what the parody was about. We just told them to write a parody. And with that said, well, we almost forgot to mention something. We decided to pick the character who would sing it just randomly out of the blue, and it was Rick. Rick's gonna be singing it. Roll it!
I skipped my coffee. My eyes are groggy. I need a boost. And that's when I see it. A trampoline, shining bright like gold. It's in the yard of my neighbor's abode. Hey, Film Buff, you realize that there's absolutely nothing for the pre-chorus, right?
What?
Yeah, there's jack shit here, man. What the fuck am I supposed to be singing for this? I might as well jump! My bones are aching. Go ahead and jump! My heart breaking. My mind's made up. My feet won't stop me. I grab my clock and bounce into the air. My neighbor sees, he's standing and gaping. I come down to land shouting, give it a flare! Might as well jump. My bones aching. Go ahead and jump. Fuck. My heart breaking. Okay, let's do this one more time, and I can go take a nap. Shit. Might as well jump! my bones aching. Go ahead and jump. My heart breaking. Go ahead and jump on your trampoline. It's in your backyard. Go there and dream. Jump, 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 jump. Fuck, I don't think I can jump. Oh my god. Shit.
Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go die now. See you in about 4 years. Ouch.
Hello, SpongeBob!
What now?
We've yet to discuss the multiverse.
Yeah, we did.
I asked if you knew anything about it, and then you screamed and ran away.
I thought it was a clear answer.
The point is, you clearly have some dirty little secret that you refuse to share. What is it?
I don't wanna...
Do it now.
Okay, fine. What happened is...